Free Energy Certified Astrologer, and in this segment, I'm going to be going over the new moon that's taking place January 18, 2026. And this will be taking place at 2:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go ahead and get started. The first place that's taking place is the North Node, that is in the midheaven. The North Node is a sign of karma and basically what you've done, kind of exploring that, understanding what you've done. Of course, most the most important part is looking at the new moon in Capricorn, and Capricorn is kind of a practical sign, a sign that allows you to understand more in depth. Saturn rules Capricorn, so Saturn is kind of a dry planet and allows for kind of snipping out areas that have expanded through Jupiter and kind of fine tuning everything and understanding how to move forward. The new moon, the ruler of the moon is Cancer, or the ruler of Cancer is the new moon. So Cancer is something that is important here. So another thing that's important and interesting is that all the personal planets are in the ninth house. So if anybody is working on education, then that can, since the ninth house is about education, they can transition now in any endeavors that are taking place. And then the 10th house is the house of careers and things like that. So if you're looking for a new job, this is a place to kind of understand who you are and what job is the best fit. So the big parts of this is that the eighth house is filled of personal planets, and the new moon is conjunct to a lot of these, like Mercury, Mars, Venus. All of these come together and during this time. So on a global scale, if you think about some of the treaties and some of the different current events that are taking place, you can tell that the new moon is powerful and kind of understanding and using raw laws and regulations, and kind of expanding on that. So there's a lot of things going on during this time. It's a good time to kind of manifest things that you might have planted in the lower heavens, and trying to manifest some of those things in the ninth and the 10th house. So that's what's going on. Of course, the new moon is always great to kind of set your intentions and be sure to what to expect next. I hope this made some sense. Thank you for listening.